Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to enable dark mode on YouTube. So a ton of people would want to use this if it's late at night and you don't want like those bright lights right before you go to sleep. So I'm just basically going to teach you guys how to do this because a ton of people still don't know, and it's a super good feature to have when working late at night on the grind for the YouTube channel. So I already have a YouTube page pulled up. So it's really simple. This is going to be a super quick video, but all you have to do is just head over here to this YouTube icon of your logo. Just want to click it and come down here to dark theme and just click on it. And then all you have to do is click like this. So this is going to allow your YouTube to be pretty dark. And like I said before, it's not going to hurt your eyes right before you go into bed. Like you could have your lights out and you don't want it like super bright because you're staying up maybe later than you're supposed to. But anyways, if this video did help you guys out, be sure to let me know in the comments down below with any other video ideas that you guys have or want to see me make. But with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.